Today, computing technologies are more powerful and pervasive than ever before. But if these technologies do not work for people, they do not work. Human-computer interaction, or HCI, is a field that aims to translate computing capacities into meaningful human experiences. For example, we have a lot of mobile phones, wearable technologies now, and they have small screens and very untraditional interfaces. So it's a challenge to design these interactions that people can use in a very effective and meaningful way. In this program, you're going to learn new advanced interaction techniques, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and conversational interfaces, along with underlying AI technologies. You're also going to learn principles and methods of human-centered design and their applications in specialized domains such as healthcare and security. You're going to build and develop new systems, new technologies. But what we want to emphasize here is that we also teach methods and principles of how to design and evaluate these technologies, how to involve people in the process so that the novel technologies can actually work for people. Our HCI section, research section, also known as GIST, Glasgow Interactive Systems, is one of the world's top HCI teams. We have unique strengths in virtual reality, augmented reality, socially intelligent agent, responsible AI, usable security, healthcare technologies, and animal-computer interaction. We have strong partnerships across industry and the third sector. So students will have opportunities to work on projects to address real-world issues so that they can make more meaningful impact. The skills in terms of design, develop, and evaluate interactive systems is going to be applicable to all the sectors that are using interactive systems to support their business. So you can imagine like health services, financial services, educations, they also need these people to design interactive systems that can actually work for people. So if you are not just interested in cool technologies, but also interested in designing these technologies that will be usable, useful, safe, inclusive, responsible, and ethical, comes to Glasgow.